Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the series number 3 of the AZ-900 Azure Fundamentals Exam Preparation Guide. I have already published two earlier videos on this series. Please do watch those videos, and in this video I will talk about general security and network security features. Like my earlier videos, if you watch this video, you will see that I'll be talking on series of questions and answers on general security and network security features. Please prepare this question and answer to pass the exam of AZ-900. I hope you will like this series. So let's start. The first question that I am going to talk is, what is Azure Firewall? Azure Firewall is a managed cloud based network security service that protects your Azure virtual network resources. It's a fully stateful firewall as a service with built in high availability and unrestricted cloud scalability. The next question is, what is the use of DDoS protection plan? Distributed Denial of Service (DDoS) protection plan enables users to protect Azure resources from denial of service attacks with continuous monitoring and automatic mitigation. What is the use of Azure Key Vaults? The Azure Key Vault is used to store secrets for server applications. The main features of Azure Key Vault are securely stores and tightly controls access tokens, passwords, certificates, API keys, and other secrets. Number 2, creates and manages encryption keys to encrypt data. Next, provisions, manages, and deploys public and private TLS or SSL certificates. The next question is, what is the use of Azure Network Security Group? Please remember that you will be getting many questions on Azure Network Security Group in the exam. So, we can use Network Security Group NSG to filter network traffic to and from Azure resources in Azure Virtual Network. We can create security rules to allow or deny inbound and outbound network traffic for several types of Azure resources. For each rule, we can specify source, destination, port, and protocol details. What is the use of Azure Traffic Manager? Azure Traffic Manager is a DNS based traffic load balancer. Traffic Manager uses DNS to direct the client request to the appropriate service endpoint based on a traffic routing method. Traffic Manager also provides health monitoring for every endpoint. The endpoint can be any internet facing service hosted inside or outside of Azure. What is the use of Azure Activity Log? Azure Activity Logs provides information and telemetry information at the subscription level instead of individual resource level. For example, you can get the logs for starting a VM, resizing a VM, or stopping a VM. The next question is, what is Azure Security Center? This is one stop shop for all security needs. Two main activities of Azure Security Center are implementing security and monitoring for any threats and breaches. Azure Security Center also provides recommendations to harden the solution and individual resources. We can see the overall secure score of the subscription, resource security hygiene, and more in the overview pane of Azure Security Center. The next question is, what is Azure Advanced Threat Protection? Azure Advanced Threat Protection, or simply ATP, has changed its name to Microsoft Defender for Identity. It gathers information to help protect the systems. This means gathering signals and sending that information into Azure. If someone is logging in from multiple access points, it can submit that information. It collects signals that may otherwise be considered suspicious for further evaluation or consideration. Because it is able to collect information about patterns and traffic, it can pass all these signals along, notifying someone when a collection of signals come up. It can also relay specific information such as what the issue was or how it should be hunted down. The next question is, what is Azure AD Identity Protection? Azure Active Directory Identity Protection is a tool that allows organization to accomplish three tasks. First is automate the detection and remediation of identity based risks. Second is investigate risks using the data in portal. Third is export risk detection data to your SIEM. The signals generated by and fed to identity protection can be further fed into tools like conditional access to make access decisions or fed back to a security information and event management SIEM tool for further investigation based on your organization's enforced policies. The last question of this series is, what is the use of Azure Logs? Azure Logs can help in two ways. Number one is they can lock resources such that they cannot be deleted even if you have owner access. Second is they can lock resources in such a way that they can neither be deleted nor have their configuration modified. Locks are typically very useful for resources in production environments that should not be deleted or deleted accidentally. Locks can be applied at the level of subscription, resource group, management group, and individual resource. Applying locks at the parent level will ensure that those resources at the child level will also inherit it. So, this is the end of series 3. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video with the series number 4.